30 seconds pass by. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. Welcome, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, this video is going to be about box braids. You know, your girl love her some box braids, and I have discovered this new hair. It's not really new, but it's new to me, so it's new. This new hair that is thebomb.com. Of course, this video is, well, not of course, but this video is not sponsored, so I am totally talking about this hair because I want to, not because it's sponsored, but I am just gonna give you guys some tea on this hair. And it's this braiding hair right here is SPETRA. I hope I'm saying that right. But this hair is SPETRA braid. That's the name of the brand of the hair. And what made me go for this hair is because it's already pre-stretched, you guys. Do you see this? Do you see this? Like, it's already pre-stretched. That means if you used braiding hair before, you would notice at the end of the braiding hair is very frizzy, number one. Number two, that it's like a blunt cut. So instead of it, when it's a blunt cut, you physically have to go in, take the piece of hair, kind of stretch it out so it can have like that more of a natural finish to it. And once it's stretched out, then you can start braiding to where you can get the kind of like medium big braid go down to like skinny braid or whatever. You'll have to stretch it out yourself. With this hair, it's already pre-stretched, so less work, right? So that's what really made me grab and go for this hair. And also I wanted a more softer look to my braids, and not like, as you can see, like it's not frizzy, no extra hair strands are poking out, and it's just, I don't know, it's just something about this hair that I'm really feeling right now. And yeah, if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, if you go back, I have a box braid jumbo box braid hair video, and I do my own box braid, so it's really important. I'm not a professional, so I really don't have time to go through and pre-stretch the hair or whatever. So when I used to do my braids, it is like kind of like the unraveling at the top, and at the bottom it will not stay like this. Yeah, you can see it better right here. It will not stay like this, and I will have to put like spray, try all these things to harden it at the bottom to make it stay, and baby girl, the hair would not stay. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, this is gonna be awesome because it's already stretched out, and I just wanna try some new hair. I'm tired of fighting with the old hair that I had. Another thing I like about this hair, like if you look at it, it does not tingle at all. Like seriously, like when I was doing my hair, number one, it used to take me literally like 7 to 8 hours to do my own hair. And this hair cut my braiding time in half, which it says that on the package, and it's really true, because you don't have to pre-stretch. You don't have to like keep like detangling like knots because the hair is so dry. This hair is so soft. It does not tangle. It's like you can run your fingers right through it, like as you can see. Well, I'm gonna back up because my camera does not want to focus, right? So right here, like as you can see, this hair is really soft. It's really soft, and now that it's out the pack, you can see at the bottom too that what I was talking about is pre-stretch. Other hair has like a blunt cut. This is like already ready for you to braid. Like you don't even have to like unmeasure it to braid. You can just put it right on and just braid. So if that makes any sense. But so also what I love about this hair is this color is the color 1B. This is not the color that I have in my hair. I just picked up an extra pack because I really wanted to mix two, but I end up not mixing two. This is the number 2, the color number 2 in my hair. But what I love about this hair is the packs that I got was the ones in 3. They also sell single packs as well, but I only use 2 packs of these, maybe like I use like 4.5 packs of this hair, which is amazing because my hair is still full. As you can see, I'm turning around. It's like my braids are still pretty full to my liking, to what I like. I don't want my braids to be overly full, and I don't like my braids to be super heavy either. And these are really light, really light, and the ends are amazing. Like, look at this. Like, this is like this hair amazes me. Like, I don't know, like I said, this is new to me, so I'm pretty psyched out about the results that I got with my braids with using this hair. And also it comes in a lot of different other colors. If you don't want your hair to be like how can I say it? If you don't want your hair to be all one color, or like mix and match the braids, if you want like that ombre look, that's ombre looks is when, obviously, what do I keep saying? Honestly, ombre look is when it's dark at the top and a different color at the bottom, and they have like a blonde, a burgundy, and they have other colors too, I believe, at my beauty supply store. I believe you can also order this hair off Amazon as well. I'm not sure how it comes or like all of that, but when I was doing more research on the hair after the fact that I brought it, I saw that you can also order it off Amazon if your local beauty supply store do not have it. So don't feel sad if they don't. Just order it off Amazon, girl, and it should be the same. But the other great thing about this hair also is that they come in different inches. In regular box braid hair that I've came across, I never saw where where they have the length. It's all just one size, and you'll have to pre-stretch and do all that extra work to get it a certain length that you want, of your desire. This one already comes as like it'll show you the inches. Like the inch I have is 26, and I believe it had like a 32 or 34 or something like that. I think it was a 32, but you can get whatever length that you want, and I thought that was pretty cool too without you having to cut it. They came out super cute. I like them. And that's all I have to say about this hair. It's really good hair. I actually want to try to maybe, what's the style? The 2 big braids, but I would rather flat iron my hair and then like put it in to make it look more natural. I don't want to start it right here because I'm not that fancy yet with braiding, so it's gonna be a hot mess. I'm gonna just be honest. So I want to kind of blend it in. It's like this hair is just that good to where I feel like once my hair is flat on, I can blend this in with my hair and make it look like, you know, I don't know, look natural or whatnot. But yeah, that's all for this video. I don't want to ramble on any longer. Like I said before, if you guys are new, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, because I would really appreciate it. It costs nothing to subscribe. All you have to do is click the little box subscribe, and you'll be subscribed to the channel. And then if you hit the bell that's next to it, you will also get an alert to know when I upload videos. So yeah, it is like, what is it? It's 2:57 a.m. in the morning. So that's why I cannot talk, because I am super tired. I had to clear a lot of storage before I was able to refilm this, so I had to stay up to film this. Love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.